Nancy, and this is my self-evaluation video for our project Redesign This for graphic design and media communications. I usually don't read my self-evaluations, but this time I made some bullet points, because I wanted to make sure that I cover all the questions at my first try. Redesigning the poster was fun. What worked for me was sketching my ideas on paper, which I saw in one of the videos that was part of our learning experience this month. Doing this helped me rearrange the text according to its importance and also position the little mouse in a way that is catching for the eye, basically using the golden section rule. What did not work for me, and at the same time what I can inquire in the future, is my fear of using color. I was trying to keep the business feel, but I wanted to present the message in a fun way, so as a result I picked a blue as a background color, but in a light, more of a cheerful shade. I only included a yellowish brown and black color as redesigning the poster. I wish I was braver and played more with the color. Available resources. As Mr. Episcopo said many times, especially in the beginning of the class, the book written by Robin Williams is amazing. This is pretty much the only bigger resource that I've used in order to complete my project, and this small book is full of such valuable information that is brought to the reader in an engaging and very easy to understand way at the same time. So what could I have done differently to improve my work this month? I hate to say that again, but it's time. If I had more time, I could have done a better job. I believe that it's true what a friend of mine says. Basically, he says that time is not money, because time is more valuable than money, because if you do have money you cannot buy time, but if you do have more time you can make more money. So anyway, this is just something that came to my mind. But yes, time was my huge issue this month. So how does my experience working with graphic design support my professional objective? The basic principles for design we learned this month open doors for all kinds of different perspectives. I did not realize that the 4 basic rules we studied and the golden section rule are valid in every design field, including the industrial. What I am trying to say is that I feel like I received very precious information which will be a cornerstone for my future career, regardless of which particular field I choose in the media communication industry. Design is everywhere and it's in everything. Unless you're a great designer who knows how to present a message, a great idea may just remain unnoticeable. So I want to thank our instructor for pushing us so hard and helping us to understand how important is the Non-Designer's Design book written by Robin Williams. Thank you.